Crude oil and net gas again opened the week on an extremely bullish note. Here we have seen oil hitting 77.6, while net gas has also moved towards 3.9 here. Can we expect the bull run to continue? Can we expect gas to trade beyond $4 levels and oil to break the critical resistance at 78.6, 79.2? Or there is a possibility of a reversal and drop? What is going to be our strategy? In order to profit trading crude oil and net gas, we're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you twice a day updates for oil and gas. See, I've been staying bullish with crude oil and net gas since multiple weeks. In my annual review for oil and gas also, I've mentioned it's a clear buy here, and what we have seen in couple of weeks almost 10% rise, 20% rise here in oil and gas. So what to expect today? First oil followed with gas. Watch till the end. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's have a look at the hourly chart. See, it has formed a reversal, one dip, then a retracement, then a rise, and now retrace. Now see, after retracement, it is again ready to bounce back. This could become the reversal sign. This could bounce. And now it is important for oil to trade above 77.6, 77.8 zone. This is going to be the first and prime resistance zone. Beyond any move beyond 77.6 and 77.8 is a good sign that we are looking forward to 78.4, 78 as the first target zone. And beyond that, my favorite 79.2 will appear here. See, and remember, it appears that oil is willing to break beyond 80 very, very soon. See, it is trading in this channel. It may try to stay in this. It has taken the support from the 20 period. $76 levels is now going to be the prime support for crude oil on the down. See, the stochastic, which was slightly overbought, has cooled down while the MACD is still in green after a couple of convergence. It is still staying bullish, though it has hit a highs, but it is not that it cannot hit further. See, this is a bull run which it would like to continue here. RSI just staying in the overbought zone here. Coming to 2-hour charts, see on the 2-hour charts also similar observation. Remember, there is a greater resistance observed at 77.6, 77.8 zone, and it is very, very critical for oil to trade above this and oil to trade above this red line here, which is definitely an indication that a breakout is what you can see. If it stays above 77.8, we can look forward to a greater rise. Look at the moving averages. These are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Looking, the stochastic here is slightly overbought, but look at MACD trading with extreme divergence. It has hit an highs here, and it appears 77.6, 77.8 definitely has to provide a bit of a struggle, because see, this is at extremes trading with divergence, and chances of convergence means a little bearish move can be expected here. RSI also is staying overbought. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, notice preceding two candles lower highs and the current one after hitting lower lows trying to bounce back. Now again, this is the zone it needs to break, and on the downside now I can see a bit of support coming in at around the first 76.8 and then 76.4 levels. If these two levels are taken, then you can look forward to 76. The most important one is 75.5. You can see a double bottom here at 75.5. Also, we know that 75.5 was the resistance earlier, now going to be the support here. So this is something you should keep a watch on. And right now I can see slightly higher highs, higher lows. So it is trying to form a good bullish flag. So at least till 75.5 we can maintain the bullish stance in oil. Stochastic entering an overbought zone, MACD divergent and bullish trying to rise here. The RSI overbought as well. Coming to 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts, the observation is same lower highs. First red candle outside bullish up, and second one is in formation. There is a possibility that once it trades 77, 76.8, I will look forward to 76.5, 76.4 at the first target, 76, 75 point. Now see, this is the breakout from 76 level. So now 76 is one critical level, and then 75.5. If these two levels are taken, stay short. We are looking forward to a move towards 75 and lower levels here. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought. So yes, things are slightly overbought here in crude oil, but it does not mean that because see, it is getting overbought after a while here, and thus it may continue with this possibilities there. Now coming to the daily charts, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. Though the new candle on my charts are yet to arrive, it may start in And right now I can see diminishing bullishness, and also I can see a resistance here from the top of this line towards 77.6, 77.8 zone. It is very very critical for oil to now break beyond this in order to confirm a reversal. While see diminishing bullishness means it can start to retrace, but I can see that bulls are not very much active here as of now in oil. So very very important for oil to now trade below 76 and 75.5. Only and only if these two levels are taken, you can say that the bears are back. Moving averages crossing over here, trading with divergence, staying bullish. Look, it's a good sign for the stochastic rising. That is also a good sign. The MACD is divergent and bullish again. A supportive sign for the bulls, and the RSI overbought. So things are getting slightly overbought here in oil, but I can say it is not up to a point where you can say that bulls are exhausted. Now, the buying trades are only if and if you see oil staying above 77.6, 77.8 zone. That is the zone beyond which you can say another round of bullishness, which is going to take it towards 78.4, 78.6. The first target zone, very, very critical resistance is there. Then 79.2. Then, in fact, we may see now oil breaking beyond the critical milestone at $80 levels here. While on the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 76.8. Remember, it can start with the retracement. And 76.8, if you're selling 76.4, 76.5. First target 76, very, very critical to break today. And then 75.5. If these three levels are taken, you can say we are looking forward to a greater dip where can prices can move towards 75, and in fact, uh, 74 levels here. Chances of which appears to be less, but yes, these are markets stronger. The rise stronger can be the pullback here. This is for crude oil. Now let's move towards natural gas. See, gas moved towards 3.9. In fact, it is opened at 3.9. In last week, my update, I have mentioned once it breaks beyond 3.6, 3.7, we are looking at 3.9. What it is done, hitting 3.9 now, trying to retrace. But you can also notice on the downside, the support levels from 3.8 is pretty strong. And then towards 3.7, anyways, is a extremely stronger support zone. That is also the 20 period moving average, and that will also fill the gap here before it looks over to any up move. Now notice the movement here in gas: rise, retracement, then the bottom, then the rise. Now it is trying to move towards the bottom here towards 3.7, 3.8 zone, and 3.8 it is already right now trading at. Look at the stochastic. This has dropped. The MACD is still at bullish here. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is overbought. Coming to 2 on the 2 hour charts here, you can see this diminishing bearishness here and the support here from 3 point. Now, very, very important for it to break below 3 point. So, we will wait for it to break below 3.8, because see, I can notice diminishing bearishness. It can bounce back up again. Natural gas is still keeping its bullish stance intact here. See this? This is how aggressively bullish it is. So any move now beyond 3.84 will be a very good sign that you can again stay bullish for 3.9, and beyond 3.9 we are looking forward to $4 levels again. Moving averages crossing over here, trading exponentially bullish is a good sign for the bulls here. Stochastic falling from the overbought zone, MACD extremely divergent, extremely bullish. Looking at the top, RSI is overbought as well. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour charts also similar observation here. Diminishing bearishness trying to bounce back, but I will only recommend you to buy about 3.84, and also see too much of divergence of the price from the 20 period calls for it to converge a bit. Let's wait for it to converge. Thus, you have to wait for it to trade below 3.78 now. So if you see now natural gas trading below 3.78, take a selling entry for 3.74, 3.7. 3.7 is a very, very good support zone for the day, below which slight bearishness can take it towards 3.6. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. MACD divergent and bullish. RSI overbought here. On the 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour chart. See, it was outside Bollinger Bands. The bands would expand definitely with the next candle. Diminishing bearishness here, because see the body size is reducing here, and thus wait for a breakout either on the upside or on the downside in order to take a position. Only worry point is the divergence here from the price from the 20 period. What it can do, it can stay here sideways, wait for the moving average to climb up, and then taking the support, it can bounce back. Right now, the 20 period on the 4 hour chart is sitting at 3.6. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI overbought here. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, what has happened here, after a gap up, now gas is trying to retrace. But notice on the daily charts what I have been sharing. See how gas behaved here. Yes, and at this point also I've mentioned that this is taken as support. It may try to bounce back. Also notice it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. Now notice where are the highs of this channel? Towards 4.2 levels here. Is it possible for gas to move towards this? Yes, it is very much possible here. In fact, I am looking forward to 4.4, 4.5 very very soon, but right now I can see it is trying to fill the gap. Let's focus on the day, and here if you see it is staying beyond 3.84, you can buy here, expect 3.9, and then beyond 3.9 I will look forward to $4 levels very 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 soon. Beyond 4 it is 4.06, and then you can wait for 4.2 levels this week itself. While on the downside, see, it is getting slightly overbought, and thus a little retracement cannot be denied here. And thus, I will recommend you to sell at 3.78. If you see natural gas trading below 3.78, stay with the sells here. Expect 3.74, 3.7. Now, 3.7, which was the resistance, is now going to be the first support zone for the day. Below 3.7 is where you are looking forward to 3.66. 3.62 and 3.6 levels. Below 3.6, it is to be treated bearish. You can look forward to a greater correction. I do not see that happening, at least today. Beyond 3.6, it is towards 3.48, 3.5 zone. Let's see if it breaks this zone, chances for which appears to be less. However, this is natural gas. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again before the US session with more updates.